Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Onye na-akụ aka. Onye na-akụ aka, which means who is knocking. Onye na-akụ aka. And if you ask me this question, my likely response will be Obomo, Obomo, or for smooth pronunciation, you say Omo. They all mean the same thing. Obomo or Omo, which means it is me or it's me. Take note of the color of each word, as they are meant to give you their respective meanings and then give you a better idea of the structure of the sentence. They are also meant to equip you to be able to write Igbo language in case that is one of your goals. Now, as you have done that, please replay this to pronounce this word accordingly, correctly, and practice it over and over. As people visit you today and knock, ask them Onye na-akụ aka and expect a response like Obomo or Omo. And as you do so, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that you can help others to discover this and equip us to serve you better. God bless you.